Hello, this is Mike. I'm doing an unboxing of the DJI Mini 2. I just picked this up from Central Festival here in Koh Samui. So we're going to open up the box, take off the protective plastic wrapping. I've been wanting to get another drone since I've been in Thailand, just over a year now. And finally picked this one up. It's super portable. It only weighs 249 grams. And I just gotta get the license, but this is it. So, comes packaged in the carry-on bag. As you can see, it's very portable. You can easily put this in your suitcase or hiking bag and carry it with you wherever you go. Comes with an arm strap as well. We got the arm strap here for convenient carrying, and let's unzip this bad boy and see what we have in here. So, this is the drone itself. Wow, look at this. Super lightweight. It's about the size of the palm of my hand. Look at that. And it also has this neat little thing, this clip right here, so you can just easily unclip this and extend out the arms. So really easy to disassemble and very easy to put into flying mode. So there it is. Check it out. And this is the combo package. So it also comes with, I believe, 4 batteries. Here's the remote controller. So let's open this up, see what it looks like. This controller is bigger, I would say bigger than some of the other drones, but there it is. The controller is actually bigger than the drone itself when you fold it up. But pretty neat. And then this I believe this just extends out, and then you put your phone right there. So you can easily clip your phone in. And we also have some accessories here. So let's see, this is probably the batteries. Yeah, we've got the charging, the charger right here, and you can charge all 3 batteries at the same time. See, there's 2 in there right now. And let's see, there should be an extra battery. The extra battery is probably inside the drone already. Yep, there it is. So we've got 3 batteries. As you can see, I think this just pops out like so. And make sure not to break it. And yeah, that's the DJI Mini 2 ultralight drone. See if I can get the battery to pop out. There's the size of the battery is very, very small. Then I can just put this in here and charge all 3 of them at the same time. Pretty neat. Super happy to finally have another drone for aerial photos and video here in Koh Samui. Thanks for watching.